Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT to create an amazing content in 2025. How to use it to script and edit and all the rest of them. Whether it's vlog, YouTube, videos, or even social media posts. If you're a content creator, a blogger, a YouTuber or a marketer, this is going to save you a tons of time. It's going to save you a tons of time. Let's dive in. To get started, go to chatopening.com, log in, or you sign up for a free account. Yes, you can use the free version, or if you want access to tools like image generation, file uploads, or more advanced response, you can upgrade to ChatGPT Plus or Pro to get more access to all those advanced features. Then, how do we get started? Blog as a YouTuber or social media. I'll be showing you step by step on how you can use it to create your content. So here I open my ChatGPT app, then I go into type. Let me say here I'm writing as a blogger. So I will say write a blog post titled Top 5 Economy Friendly Travel Destinations in 2025. Keep it around 600 words. So you see, in less than a minute, ChatGPT have generated this script, a content on this topic. Sure, here is a 600 words blog post titled Top 5 Economy Friendly Travel Destinations in 2025. So ChatGPT go ahead to break down the scripts for me, like create the content, the whole of it for me, from A to Z in less than a minute. So that is how easy it is to use it as a content creator. It's very easy, fast, and reliable. Okay. Let me say I'm using it as a YouTuber now. I'm using it to write a YouTube script. Let me say write a 5 minute YouTube script for a video titled How to Stay Productive Working from Home in 2025. There we go. In less than a minute again, ChatGPT have generated this script for me. The content, everything, step by step. Everything. This is how reliable. It's very, very reliable. So if you're a marketer, you are a YouTuber, you are a blogger, you any social media platform you are, ChatGPT will help you in so many ways to navigate in your content creation, in your script writing, on your editing. Now let's use it as a social media. Let's use it to write an Instagram caption to promote my video, my YouTube video on AI tools for freelancers. Let's see. You see, in less than a minute again. So I will say, as a content creator, ChatGPT is the best. Try it. It's the best. It will take you through. It will walk you through step by step, one after the other. And you don't have to spend too much time scripting, editing, and ChatGPT will just take you through it, and it will help your journey to be fast. It will save you tons of time. Believe me, it will save you tons of time. So as a beginner, I will advise you to try ChatGPT because it's reliable, it's easy, it will help you in thumbnails, in scripting and editing. It will so help you as a beginner. So let's go back to our video. Thank
You
you.
can use ChatGPT to plan your content calendar. If you are struggling to stay consistent, ask ChatGPT to make a content calendar for you. Yes, you can customize it by topic, frequency and platform. Super helpful. It's very helpful for planning ahead. ChatGPT, learn as you go. And that is how easy it is to use ChatGPT in 2025. If you find this helpful, you make sure to like, the video, subscribe and comment. So comment below what kind of content you want to create with AI.
And hey, if you want my free prompt chat sheet for content creators, check the link in my description.
Chat sheet for content creators, check the link in my description. Thank you for watching. Bye.